This is step 3, and we're just going to make a bunch of these little things. I'll show you one. 28. And 30. There's two 33s. What? They're just giving us extras? It's very confusing. So we're supposed to make 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Times 8. There's only 6 parts listed. That's a mess. What the hell kind of way to do is that? Okay, so 23 has, so 16, 20, and 18 has 1 part. 23 has 2 parts, and 33 it has 2 parts. Like, what? Why don't you just like number them all the same number? All right. All right. So then you gotta strong arm it. That's still not in there. There we go. Is that right? Yeah, the thick part goes up, and this guy's down. Okay, just want to make sure I'm doing it right. We got it. That one, and then D9, 10, or H9. So 9 goes into 10, like so. It's a little end. Did I do it at the right end? I think so. Well, it shows this. It shows an open end being on this side. I think I might have this in there backwards. Let's see if we can get that out of there. There we go. Does it go this way? Or does it not matter? It doesn't matter. Because either way, the open space is over here, but the image doesn't really show that. The image shows this as flush. It is H9 because there's this other one that is H36. All right, I guess we'll have to put it together and we'll see. It's not glued, so we can always kind of pop it apart if we need to, but that's irritating to me that's... Because this is flush as well, but it shows this being flush too, but there's no way that's going to be flush on that. And then this one goes here. right, that's it. Easy enough. That's step 3 too. So we're doing something with this bad boy. He lives there. Get the paint all messed up there. That one's not in very well. There we go. Okay. I want to see how obvious that is. So that looks, those sides look really bad. Let me just, whoopsie, come on, this guy here. Oh, that's much better. Okay. So this guy, well, this is D11. He goes there. Do, 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 do. The pattern is the right direction. This guy goes here for some reason, we don't know. I'm sure it'll become clear later. And this guy goes like that. I don't know why we're doing that, but maybe it's for the staircase. How does the back look? Good, good, good. What, honey? Meow. Yeah. Okay. Oh, and then we need to glue this guy. So let's get our glue going here. And do I have any brushes? Where's my brushes? Here's my brushes. And then I need a brush rest because we haven't done any brushing yet. Oh, there is a direction there, so I want to make sure I get that right. Okay. think we got that. Step 4-1 complete. Get rid of the cat hair. And okay, 4-2 is this guy going in here. Whoopsie. See, that doesn't go in there great. Oh, maybe I did get this backwards. Hold on. Because this, 1 second. Oh, maybe this piece is what I got. Because this, they're not lining up at the top there. Okay, so let's take this whole, let's get this whole figured out here. There we go. Let's give that a few whacks. So I'm scooting it just so I can see where the border is, and then scooting it back to cover that up. And there's another piece here, so I want to make sure that it's up high enough so it's not going to interfere with whatever goes there. So we will let that rest for a moment, and oh, there's more. That was messy. Okay. That is the end of step 4. I think we got everything going there. Looks good.